Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the essential steps to successfully apply for dental insurance and secure your smile. Welcome to our channel. Applying for dental insurance may seem overwhelming at first, but breaking it down into clear steps will help you navigate the process with ease. First, start by assessing your dental care needs. Consider how often you visit the dentist, what types of treatments you anticipate, and whether you have any ongoing dental issues. This helps in choosing the right plan for your situation. Next, research dental insurance providers and plans. Compare coverage options, premium costs, deductibles, waiting periods, and maximum benefits. Carefully read through the policy details to understand what is included and excluded. Once you have a short list of plans, ask yourself what fits your budget and meets your dental needs best. After selecting a few potential plans, it is time to gather the necessary documents, which typically include personal identification, proof of income, and sometimes your recent dental records. Having these ready will streamline your application. Submitting an application can usually be done online via the provider's website or through a phone call. If applying online, create an account if required and fill in all personal and payment information accurately. Be sure to double-check everything before submission to avoid delays following submission. Keep track of your application status through any provided portals or contact points. This helps you stay informed about approval times or additional information requests. Once approved, review your insurance card and policy documents carefully. Make sure all details are correct and understand how to use your benefits, including network dentists and claim procedures. Remember to keep your insurance information handy during dental visits and maintain communication with your insurance provider for any questions or changes in your coverage. Applying for dental insurance step by step like this not only demystifies the process, but also empowers you to make informed decisions, protecting your oral health effectively. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more helpful guides.